Hi, today I'll show you how to hard reset PS4 by using the safe mode. So first of all you need to turn off your device and then you need to hold down the power key until you hear the second beep. So first one, second one. So now you need to connect your DualShock by using the cable and press the PS button. Now select Initialize PS4. So that's all. Thanks for watching, press like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.